Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Roblox account without a password or email. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser, like Google Chrome. In the search bar, type roblox.com support and press enter. This will take you to the Roblox Support page, which has a Contact Us form. Fill out the form by entering your username and full name. These fields are optional, but they help. In the email address field, type your current email address, then retype it in the Confirm Email Address field. Next, select the device you're having problems with. Under Issue Details, choose the type of help you need. For example, account hacked or can't log in. A new drop-down will appear. From there, select Forgot Password. In the description box, briefly explain your issue. After completing the form, click the Continue button at the bottom. On the next screen, solve the puzzle to prove you're not a robot, then submit the form. You'll receive an email from Roblox at the address you provided. Just follow their instructions to recover your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.